ceramic coating, my friend. Have you ever washed your car and you wish that it looks just rolled out of the showroom floor? Let me introduce you to ceramic coating. So for those who don't know what ceramic coating is, basically ceramic coating is a chemical polymer solution. When applied, it acts as a protective layer that basically bonds with your car paint and protects us from UV lights, scratches, makes the car looks in the mint condition. This was sent to me by Suma ceramic spray. I'm gonna use Suma ceramic spray and let's see how good ceramic coating would look on the car. So let's get started with my car. This is my car, a BMW X3 2023. Now, this is it before I even wash the car. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car and dry it out and see the results. The directions are very simple. Wash your car and make sure it's dried properly, and then apply the ceramic coating. Then wipe it and make sure it's applied evenly throughout the whole car. Simple enough. And this is the car after I cleaned it. So it still looks clean, obviously it looks shiny, but you'll see the little touch of the ceramic coating after when it's applied. Next, we'll grab a new or a clean microfiber towel and spray the ceramic coating and start wiping in one direction. And check out the results. Absolutely amazing. I was actually shocked. Instantly achieve that new car shine with Soma professional grade ceramic coating. And what's nice about it is actually you can do it yourself for a fraction of a price. And as I mentioned, it protects your paint at a nano level and repels dirt. One coat can last for 6 months. However, it's recommended to reapply at least every 3 months for the best results. And of course, every time you wash your car, what happens the next day? It starts raining. But this time I'm not worried about it. Why? Because the ceramic coating is doing the job. See, as soon as I start driving, the water starts falling off and then it cleans itself technically. And this is the same day after the rain. And it looks like I just washed it, but that's the same wash that I did a couple days ago. Honestly, I was impressed by this product. Thank you so much for sending me this ceramic coating. And when I run out, I probably will ask you for another one. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it.